So this is my touch-sensitive Christmas door decoration. All you do is you come up and you touch a piece.
And if it wouldn't be too much, I'd like to get something for you, Clark. Something really nice.
So it's just quotes that are coming from really cool Christmassy movies.
There it is. The holy grail of Christmas gifts. The Red Ryder 200-shot range model air rifle.
How low can you get giving Kris Kringle a parking ticket on Christmas Eve? What's next? Rabies shots for the Easter Bunny?
I'm the worst toy maker in the world. I'm a cotton-headed ninny muggins.
Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
Let us deal with the eviction notices for tomorrow, Mr. Cratchit.
Tomorrow's Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Charlie Brown! Would you please tell her that you're not really Santa Claus? That there actually is no such person?
Well, I'm sorry to disagree with you, Mrs. Walker, but not only is there such a person, but here I am to prove it. But maybe he's only a little crazy, like painters or composers or some of those men in Washington.
Ready, Rudolph?
Ready, stand up.
Okay, Rudolph, full power.
Free. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animals.